In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the index function in Excel. This tool is immensely helpful in extracting specific values from a table or range, and once you get the hang of it, it will significantly boost your productivity in handling data within Excel. First off, let's tackle the basics. Excel is a powerful spreadsheet program that Microsoft offers as part of its Microsoft 365 suite. If you don't already have Excel installed on your computer, no worries. Microsoft provides a free version of Excel Online, which is just perfect for our needs today. Simply navigate to the free Microsoft 365 online page. You'll see options for Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. For our purpose, we are interested in Excel, but remember you'll need to sign in to make full use of these online tools. That brings us to our next step, signing in. Click on the sign in button. If you don't have a Microsoft account yet, you'll need to create one. It's a straightforward process requiring only your email and a few personal details. Once you've signed in, you're ready to dive into the world of Excel. Now onto the meat of today's tutorial, the index function. Before we start, it's important to have a sample Excel file ready. For demonstration purposes, we will use a sample file that I prepared earlier. This example file includes a simple table with data that we will use to illustrate how the index function works. Let's say our table occupies the range from cell B2 to cell C5. We're interested in extracting a specific piece of information from this table using the index function. The syntax of the index function is fairly simple. A index array, row underscore num, column underscore num. Array refers to the range of cells that contains the data. Row underscore num is the position of the row in the array from which you want to pull data. Optionally, column underscore num specifies the column in the array from which to pull data. If you omit AE column underscore num, index returns the entire row. For our example, let's say we want to find the value in the second row and the second column of our defined array. We would use the function =index B2 C5 2 2. Typing this function into a cell and pressing enter would display the value located in the second row and second column of the range B2. C5 in the cell where you entered the formula. One of the beauties of the index function is its versatility. You can use it to retrieve a single cell or range of cells, and it can be a powerful tool when combined with other functions such as match. However, that's a topic for another day. Today, let's focus on getting comfortable with extracting information using index by itself. A few tips to remember when using the index function. First, ensure your row underscore num and column underscore num do not exceed the dimensions of your array. If they do, Excel will return an error. Second, index is incredible for dynamic Excel models because you can use it to reference data that might change location or context depending on variables or conditions set elsewhere in your spreadsheet. Finally, practice makes perfect. The more you use the index function, the more intuitive it will become. Start with simple exercises like the one we covered today and gradually incorporate it into more complex data manipulation tasks. You'll soon find the index function indispensable in your Excel toolkit. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to use the index function in Excel. Whether you're managing personal data or handling complex data sets for work, knowing how to quickly and accurately extract information with the index function will save you time and improve your efficiency in Excel. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and don't forget to save your work as you go. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.